Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about 3 ways to generate passive income with as little as $2,000 invested. No matter which method you choose, these 3 can allow you to generate a nice passive income, while also coming as a unique way to diversify your investment portfolio. These 3 investment opportunities are not only accessible but also have a proven track record of success. Whether you're looking to earn extra cash on the side or build a long-term investment portfolio, these investments are worth considering. Many individuals are interested in investing their money but are often unsure of where to begin. The good news is that you don't need to have a lot of money to get started. With just $2,000, you can earn a steady stream of passive income every month. Before we start, remember that investing your money into any business venture involves some degree of risk. However, with proper research, planning, and execution, these 3 investment opportunities have the potential to generate passive income for years to come. So, let's dive into the specifics and find out how you can start generating passive income with just $2,000. First on today's list are vending machines. Vending machines are a great way to generate passive income, with the average cost of a good vending machine being around $1,500 to $2,000, but you can also buy them secondhand. You can expect to earn between $100 to $300 per month from each machine depending on the location and the type of products you are selling. Before starting a vending machine business, you need to know a few things. Firstly, you need to find a good location to place your vending machine. Look for places with high foot traffic such as office buildings, schools, factories, or even apartment complexes. Secondly, you need to research the type of products that sell well in the location you have chosen. For example, a vending machine in a school or a gym might do better with healthier snack options, while a vending machine in an office building might do better with coffee and energy drinks. You can buy these products in bulk at very attractive prices from wholesalers such as Sam's Club in the United States, or Metro in Europe, and you can expect profit margins that are even in the 100 to 200% range. Finally, you need to keep the vending machine stocked with fresh and appealing products, and you also have to ensure that they are in a good working condition. There are different types of vending machines that you can choose from, such as snack vending machines, beverage vending machines, and even combo vending machines that offer both snacks and beverages. Keep in mind that you will need to regularly restock your vending machines and ensure they are in good working condition. The second way to generate passive income is through owning a parking spot. The cost of a parking spot is going to depend a lot on your location. You can expect to earn between $50 to $200 per month per parking spot. However, before starting a parking spot business, there are a few things you need to know. When it comes to owning a parking spot, you can take 2 approaches. First, you can go for a metered parking spot, where the location is very important and you might want to look for areas such as busy downtown spots or even potential event areas. This might be more expensive than the second approach, which is renting the spot on a monthly basis. This means you won't need to install a payment system, and you might be able to find much cheaper places that will barely require any maintenance. In this case, the location is not as important as the demand. Even if you get a bad location, all you need is one client that could rent the place for ages. To find cheaper parking spots, you can buy them directly from apartment complexes or other types of real estate developers. You can do this usually when the real estate is in a nearly finished state or even after it, in case they were not able to sell all the parking spots to the apartment owners. Secondly, you need to check with local authorities to ensure that you have the necessary permits and licenses to operate the parking spot, so make sure you do your research properly. Finally, you need to keep the parking spot clean and safe for customers, and ensure that the payment system is easy to use in case you're going for the metered approach. The third way to generate passive income is through owning a wedding photo booth. You can buy a good photo booth for even as little as $2,000, and you can expect to earn between $500 to even as much as $1,000 per event. However, before starting a wedding photo booth business, there are a few things you need to know. Firstly, you need to invest in a good quality photo booth and camera equipment. You might want to reinvest the money you get from your first events into improving the quality before cashing in the profits. Secondly, you need to market your business effectively to attract clients. Marketing is key when it comes to wedding photo booths. You may need to advertise through social media, wedding expos, or through referrals from past clients, but if you're willing to put in the work at the start, you can have a very good and lucrative business that doesn't require much work. Finally, you need to ensure that you have a backup plan in case of equipment failure or other issues during events. Bringing backup equipment or having a technician on call can help ensure that everything runs smoothly, as you definitely don't want to ruin a wedding. So there you have it, 3 ways to generate relatively passive income with as little as $2,000 invested. Vending machines, parking spots, and wedding photo booths are all great options for anyone looking to make some extra money on little effort. However, before starting any type of business, make sure you do your research and understand the risks and potential rewards. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.